Estrelier. Sari breaks down the wall.
The Wonder Rookie with a very powerful hit. Sari right in the middle of the two blockers para sa Lady Stags. Overpowering. Walang depensa. Puntos para kay Sari. Wow!
Ito yung matchup na gusto natin.
Oo.
Catwoman versus the Super Rookie. Ayan na.
Versus, yes, speaking of the Super Rookie, another quick side out para sa Letran Lady Knights at para kay Sari. Once again, overpowering the blockers. Dalawa pa yan para sa Lady Stags right in the middle.
Talagang dinadala kay Vanessa.
Oo, kanina pa tinatarget eh.
Back set to Judiel. Cross court.
Chance ball.
Estrelier to Sari. 3 straight points for Vanessa Sari.
Spike from Sari, galing pa ng Bigolandia. Hindi umabot. Yung sa block si Ramos, hindi na pabagal yung malakas na palo ni Sari. Back-to-back points para kay Sari. At doon sa open position, hindi pa siya nasa stop sa kanyang cross-court attacks.
The recruit from NCF, Naga College Foundation, gets an ace. 4 straight points for Vanessa Sari.
Grabe, mainit pa at maanghang pa sa Bicol Express. Mapaharap, mapalikod, bubukas ang floor para sa puntos ni Nitura. Isa na lang po inaabol nila.
Wow, the variety in the serves of Judiel Nitura. And Judiel showing us that she has great ball control as well. Back row, goodbye.
Back-to-back, back row points para sa Letran Lady Knights. This time ay courtesy para sa ating super rookie, Nasir Sari, right in the middle. But she crossed that spike. Nandun yung depensa, but that was too strong. Gano'ng kagaling si Silva. No doubts.
Breaking the mold. Lara May Silva, 3-time beach volleyball champion. Grabe, tuloy-tuloy ang atake nitong si Vanessa Sari.
Totoo, Anton, kanina pa kung may binibigay si Catwoman, in return may binabato ng bomba.
Di makulangan. Makilang. Perfect pass. Estrelier to Vanessa Sari.
Sari ending our game, proving her strength. Once again, single block coverage, hindi pwede kay Sari yan.
It was a furious comeback attempt by San Sebastian, but Letran wins this match by any means. Vanessa Sari.